Greetings and welcome. My name is Terrence. So this is my website, terragevolution.com, and these are actual Google ads that are on my website. I was able to monetize my website with Google ads in a couple of days after encountering a source online, a source that I am going to be telling you about or guiding you to in this video. So I'm currently looking up on my screen right now, and these are ads that are currently on my website. So stay tuned, as I'm going to be telling you the quickest way that I have found after 2 years to get monetized online, and this is the evidence of these ads being on my website, and these are Google ads. So stay tuned. Yes, welcome. My name is Terrence, and on this channel I believe in growing gradually together. So one of the things that I do is that I invest in information online a lot, and I find the sources that actually works, that gives information that help us to grow online, that help us to make money online, and I come back here and direct you guys to those sources. So that is what I am going to be doing in this video. I ask that you subscribe to this channel, as I will be doing videos like this all the time. So like, share and subscribe. So let's get into the content of this video. So I was doing my usual research online one day, and I encountered this video on YouTube that led me to the source that I am about to show you. And I will tell you this, that not all sources online are good. Not all sources online are for you. So you might invest in this information there, invest in this glittering money-making idea, and it is not for you. And it has happened to me. I have invested in information and found that this information is not for me, or I've found that this information is bull crap. I have proven that. I am going to be directing you to one source that I have invested in so far. I invested $17 US, and I was able to monetize my website in a couple of days. So you can start a brand new website today and have Google ads, have it monetized on it in a matter of 5 days. And this is for real. This is the quickest way I've seen to become monetized online. So one of the ways that we try to get monetized online is to have our YouTube channel monetized, and what we do is try to get 1,000 subscribers, and also what we do is try to get 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 hours. That is with our YouTube channel, and that can take you a long time. It can take you up to a year. It takes some persons years to get to 1,000 subscribers, while some persons are lucky based on their content to get subscribers quickly. But that does not work out that way for the majority. But to get a website monetized is all up to you. It's all about having unique content on your website and having enough unique content on your website, and then simply applying for Google AdSense and getting approved by Google. But there are a series of steps that you have to follow, and you will get that information from the source that I am going to be directing you to. I will not have enough time to go through all the information that is in that course. That course took me hours to watch, so I don't have time to go through this video. But I am not the one teaching that course. That course was taught by someone else, and I'm going to show you that course. So yes, so this is the course coming up, and the link to this will be in the description below. So this little Indian man here on screen, so welcome to members area. So these are all the videos that I watch, and it gives you the information that you will need to set up your website all by yourself, and it will give you the information that you need to be qualified for Google AdSense. So I don't want to do a long video here just blabbering and going on and going on, so I am going to have the link in the description below, so just click on it. It costs only $17, and for $17 you can become monetized online, and this is for real. I have more than one website now that will be monetized in various ways, and this is the method that I will use to have Google Ads on all those websites, along with other money making methods that I will employ. But to get your Google Ads on your website right away, learn how to send traffic to your website, learn how to set up your website all by yourself. This is a course that helped me. So I believe that I must direct you guys to the source, not necessarily to give you all the details, because it cost me money to find all these details. It will only cost you $17, but I guarantee you that you will be able to set up your website by yourself. I guarantee you that if you follow the instructions in this course step by step, you will have Google Ads on your website in a matter of days, and all you will have to do after that is to get traffic to your website, because that is key to being successful online. It is all about traffic after that. So as I said before, so this is my website, one of my websites as a matter of fact, and these are actual Google Ads waiting on it to come up. It's a little bit slow. These are actual Google Ads that are on my website, and these are actual Google Ads. You can go to it yourself, terraevolution.com. So I am going to be recreating this website, or making some adjustments to the way this website is also, and that is new knowledge that I have gained as well, new knowledge that I will share with you soon. I cannot click on any of these ads, because if I click on my own ads, then I'll become demonetized, so I cannot do that. So I'm hoping that I have given you information here, or I've led you to a course that will help you to become monetized online quickly. And I ask that you subscribe and like this channel and comment in the description below if there are any faster way out there to start making money online. Let me know. Comment that in the comment section below, and let me know if there are any quicker way out there to make money. I know of CPA marketing. I will do another video on CPA marketing, but getting a website set up and getting monetized on through that website is the quickest method that I have seen. I will do another video on CPA marketing for you as well, and that is new information that I've also found after investing in information online. So I believe in investing in information. I believe that investment is key. Investing in the knowledge that is out there in order to be successful. And I hope I've given you information that will help you. Alright, so just click on the link below and purchase that $17 course. So you're $17 away from new knowledge, knowledge that will help you to actually make money online. Alright, so all the best.